Hey guys, this is Chef KUNOKUNO with a food review of David's cookies. It's the chocolate chip pre-formed frozen cookies we bought at Restaurant Depot in New Jersey. And today we are going to have an experiment. We're baking it at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. The top round tray is Alex's and the bottom one is mine. Okay, so these are cooling. We took them out of the oven. The ones from the bottom tray and the ones from the top tray are over here. And here it is, the ones from the bottom tray again. And the ones from the top tray. They look quite different, and we'll have Alex for his reaction. Alex's cookies and Chef KUNOKUNO's cookies.
Hey, it's Alex. So the cookies have cooled down, and now I'm going to show you what the difference is between both of them. So this one is mine. You can see that mine is thin-ish and wider. Meanwhile, Mommy's is smaller and thicker. So now I'm gonna taste both of them, see if they're good or not. Mine is good. I taste a lot of chocolate chips. And I can taste the dough-ish areas. So, mine is good. Now I'm gonna taste Mommy's. Mama's cookies are good. I taste a little bit of crispiness in her. I taste the dough, you know, the crust. And I taste the chocolate chips too. It's really good. I like both of them. Thumbs up. Buy again. 10 out of 10 would buy again. Bye guys. See you next time. See you next video.